Hi everyone, welcome back to BTech 360. Now the TSEAM CET counseling is currently ongoing and all the students who are waiting for the results, this video is the perfect video for you. Because in today's video, we would be discussing top TSEAM CET colleges that you can definitely target. Now we would be discussing everything about these particular universities and would be focusing on their cutoffs. Before we move ahead, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel so that more such videos keep coming onto your feed. Let's start with the top first university. Now, before we start with the universities, let's discuss a bit about the seats that are available based on your TSEAM CET score. So, the total approved engineering seats in Telangana, the total government and the private approved seats, they are 1,16,877. Now, out of these seats, the seats that are filled based on the TSEAM CET score is 90,921. The rest seats are basically your NRI quota or your management quota. So, that is basically the division of all the engineering seats that are present in the state of Telangana. Now let's start with the universities. The first university, the best university and the most competitive one also is basically JNTUH College of Engineering located in Hyderabad. This was established in 1965. It's a very old university. It is a government university. The campus spreads in 95 acres. Now if we talk about the UG students, the students who are enrolled in the UG courses, the total is 5,922. Now if we divide these students according to their gender, you'll find 49% to be male students and the rest 51% to be female students. Now if we divide the students according to the demographic regions, then outside state is 30%. Now Hyderabad is located in Telangana and students who come from outside Telangana, they are the minority. They constitute 30% of the total students. Within state is 62.8%. So these are the students from Telangana who are then coming to JNTUH. And outside country, that is students who are coming from outside India, they constitute 7.2% of the total population. If we talk about the faculty, then that is 501. So 501 faculty are available across the different programs. So this was a general overview of JNTUH. Now let's discuss about the main thing, which is basically the cutoff. Now here in the cutoff, we have mentioned the highest closing rank in the general merit. So the highest closing rank is the maximum rank. So if you even have one rank more than this, you won't be able to get admission because these are the maximum ranks in which these different courses close their admission. So here you have OU, which is basically for the local candidates. So all of these are for the local residents. Now in this we have the open category. So we haven't, since the majority of students belong to the open category, we have just mentioned the open category ranks and we have filtered it for the male students. So the highest closing rank for BTech Computer Science Engineering is 1.22K. Then BTech Computer Science Engineering with AIML specialization, it is 1.61K. Then BTech Computer Science and Engineering Cyber Security specialization, 3.26K. Then EC, 2.71K. And the last is EEE, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, 6.93K. So these are the highest or the maximum closing rank for these particular branches. So this was the first university, which was JNTUH located in Hyderabad. Let's move on. The second university is Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, CBIT, again in Hyderabad. It was established in 1979. It is a private university. The campus size is 51 acres. Total students 5646. Out of this, 63.3% are male students and the rest 36.7% are female students. Outside state, 8.6% students who are coming from outside Telangana. Students who are coming from within the state of Telangana, 90.2%, which is the majority, and outside country is 1.2%. If we talk about the faculty, total 392 faculty are available. So this was a general overview of CBIT Hyderabad. Let's look at the cutoff. That is the main thing. Now here also we have used the same filters. OU, that is local candidate, open category for the male students. So the different branches for B Computer Science Engineering, it is 2.05K. Then B Computer Science and Engineering with AIML specialization, it is 2.15K. B Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, 3.05K. Computer Science Engineering but IoT, that is Internet of Things and Cybersecurity, 3.08K. And the last one is B Information Technology IT, that is 4002. So again, these are the highest closing rank. Your specific rank in TSEAM CET should be less than these rank to get admission in these particular universities. So this was the second university, CBIT in Hyderabad. Let's move on to the third university. On third position, we have VNR Vignana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, again in Hyderabad. This was established in 1995. This again is a private university. The campus size is of 21 acres. Total 7,575 students are enrolled here. Out of these, 62.6% are male students and the rest 37.4% are female students. Now if we talk about the demographic division, then outside state is 6.7%. Students who belong to the state, that is Telangana, they constitute the majority, 92.9%, and outside the country is very 0.4%. If we talk about the faculty, total 607 faculty are available. Let's discuss about the cutoff. Now in order to get here, the maximum closing rank for different branches are mentioned here. Again, the criteria, the filtering criteria remains the same. For BTech CSE, it is 1.65K, then artificial intelligence and machine learning 2.26K, then artificial intelligence and data science, for that it is 2.51K. For just BTech data science, it is 2.69K, and for computer science and business system, it is 3.36K. So your specific rank should be less than the ranks mentioned here, and if that's the case, and remember this is for the general merit local candidates, if that's the case, if your rank is less than the rank that is mentioned here, then you can definitely take admission in this particular university. Let's move ahead. The next university on the 4th position, we have Osmania University, Hyderabad. This was established in 1929. This is a government university. The campus is of 200 acres. Total 1430 students are present here. Out of this, 47.6% are male students and 52.4% are female students. Then outside state students are 17.8%. Within Telangana state, 80.1%, and outside country 2.1%. Talking about the faculty, total 220 faculty is available. So this was a general overview of Osmania University. Let's talk about the cutoff. Now the Osmania University, it's quite well known for its engineering programs. Now here we have B Computer Science Engineering 2.54K rank, then Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning 3.46K rank, then EC 4.54K, EE 8.32K, and Mechanical Engineering 11.84K. So these are the different branches and their highest closing ranks according to the different branches. So this was the 4th university. Let's move ahead and discuss about the 5th university, Vasavi College of Engineering, located in Hyderabad. So it was established in 1981. This is a private university. The campus size is 13 acres. Total students here are 3,398. Male students make up 68.2% of the total population, and the rest are 31.8% are female students. If we look at the demographic data, then 5.8% are outside state students. Within state, 94.2%. Outside country is 0%. And the last is the total faculty available is 207. So this was an overview of Vasavi College of Engineering. Let's discuss about the cutoff, the main thing. So here we have the different branches. The filtering criteria again remain the same. So for B CSE, it is 2.29K. Then for artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is 2.45K. B IT 4.29K. EC 6.20K, and for EEE it is 12,157. So these are the highest closing ranks. Now let's move ahead. Let's discuss about the last university. On the 6th position, we have Anurag University. Again located in Hyderabad. The university was established in the year 2002. This is a private university. It spans across 112 acres. In case, now in the NIRF ranking, it comes in the band of 101 to 158 universities. Total 7,381 students are present here. Out of this, 48.87% are the male students, and the rest 51.13% are female students. Now if we look at outside state, then that is 55.65%. Within state, 42.69%. And outside country, there is a minority, 1.65%. If we talk about the faculty, then that is 535. So this was an overview. Let's also look at the placement numbers here. Now here we have the major placement report. So more than 200 recruiters have visited. The number of placements that have happened since 2021, that is more than 10,000. The university has also signed more than 160 industry MOUs. The placement rate is 97%. The highest package was 53 LPA. Average was 6.5 LPA. The recruiter of the year, which gave the maximum package, this package that you are seeing here, 53 LPA, that was given by Microsoft, and the training hours delivered. So the number of hours the students have been trained for, that is 4380 hours. So these were the major highlights of the placement. Now, other than this, what are the different packages that the different companies have given? So Microsoft, the highest salary offered was 53 LPA. ServiceNow, they hired a candidate for 32 LPA. Myntra, 30 LPA, and Goldman Sachs, 30 LPA. So these were the highest salaries offered by these different companies. In addition to that, Accenture offered a average CTC ranging between 4 to 6.5 LPA for different branches. Capgemini, it ranged between 4 to 7.5 LPA. Cognizant 4 LPA, and LTIMindtree, which is the LTM group, they offered an average CTC of 4 LPA. Now let's discuss, if we have to get into Anurag University, then what is the cutoff. So discussing about the cutoff, here we have a cutoff for all the different branches. Now here we have included all the categories. We have included EWS, OBC, open category, SC and ST, and for the local candidates as well as the unreserved candidates. So let's discuss about the open category, since majority students belong to the open category. So for BTech Artificial Intelligence in the open category, for the local candidates, the cutoff was 11,811. So these again are the maximum closing ranks. Make sure your rank is less than the number that is mentioned here. Then for civil engineering, it was 52,802. For BTech CSC, it was 11,593. For EEE, it was 30,879. EC, 18,658. BTech IT, 16,650. And for mechanical engineering, it was 48,242. Now these were the cutoff for the local candidates. Let's say you do not belong to the Osmania University region, you are an unreserved category candidate. In that case, similarly for the open category, here in civil engineering, you will need a rank lesser than 33,927. For computer science engineering, it is 5,093. Then for EC, it is 16,204. For IT, it is 12,512. And for Mech, it is 28,872. Now, since we have a lot of numbers on the screen, I'll advise you to take a screenshot in case you do not belong to the open category. Let's say if you belong to EWS, SC and ST, you can definitely take a screenshot and you can then refer to your specific rank. So these were the highest closing ranks for Anurag University. So students, these were the top universities that you can take admission if you have already applied for the TS EAM CET Council.